Alright guys, so I got that clip out. So look at what we got going on here. So I told you the vehicle was hit. It was hit right here in the back. That was an impact, boy. This is still and get dented, so that's crazy, right? It was hitting the back and it was actually hitting the front also, because the front reinforcement got hit also. So you see all this right here. Actually, it's going to be another day I'm going to take this out and I'm actually going to treat it with the rust paint, because I can see all that existing rust and stuff on it, and especially right here. So this was, see whatever this is, this was actually all over underneath the truck, this right here. So I'm actually going to treat all of that. So this is pretty cool. And it's saying the tow capacity, it's saying 10 bands. Y'all know Rangels for the tow, right? This right here is basically, why is it like loose like that? So basically this is actually, is it broken? This is actually for the spare wheel where you stick the pull in. But as I said, I'm going to treat all of this, sand it down, treat it, and repaint basically everything back. Alright, but the main story of the video, as y'all know, is basically the sensor. So let's get to it. Let me put y'all on the stand and flip this around. Let's see what we can do here. See how we could fix this issue. Let's lift this up. Let's get down like this. And I'm gonna show y'all basically what I'm talking about. Let's get cool. Alright. We got some more light. So, as y'all can see, I have some tape on it. Tape on it, because this is where that broke. That one broke. This was the only one that didn't break. So, the harness actually, I don't know what happened. As I said, from the angle I was doing it, I couldn't get it out. So this is the best way to do it, people. So if you actually need to change the sensors, don't go underneath and do that. It's real simple to take the bumper out, the bumper cover out, and actually do it, because then you won't break no clips, and then you actually can see what's going on with the harness to see. But something happened right here. Why is that tape? No, well, that's the existing tape. So yeah, this let's say you actually could take the whole harness out, or, you know, it's just right there. It's real easy. So as I said, I'm gonna take the sensors out and take the harness out and see if I have to, I'm gonna have to fix it somehow to let it stay. So I'll be right back. Let me get to this, and or I may just put y'all on a quick time lapse while I'll do this. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, put you on the time lapse. Be right back.